Okay, good morning dear students. Welcome to the riddle time. Are you ready to solve the riddles?
Yes, ma'am.
So first riddle is, which letter is a vegetable? Which letter is a vegetable? ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ಹೆಸರು ಒಂದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನ ಲೆಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ್ದದು? ಓಕೆ ವಿಶಾಲ?
P.
P. Very good. Come and write. Very good, Papa. Second riddle is, which letter is a drink? ಯಾವ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ನ ಹೆಸರು ಒಂದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನ ಲೆಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ?
T.
Tea. Very good. Come and write. Tea. Do you like to drink tea?
Yes, miss.
The third riddle is, which letter is an insect? Which letter is an insect? ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಹೆಸರು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ್ದದು? ಓಕೆ,
B.
B. Very good. B. Okay. The fourth riddle is, which letter is source of salt? Source of salt means ನಮಗೆ salt ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? Where we get the salt? Sea. Very good. Sea ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮುದ್ರ. Which letter is a tool? Which letter is a tool? ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಟೂಲ್ ನ ಹೆಸರು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಓಕೆ ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷಾ? Axe. Very good. Axe. Why we use axe? Very good. We cut the trees with the help of axe. So next riddle is, which letter is our body part? ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನ ಲೆಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? I. Very good. I. How many eyes you have? Two. Next riddle is, which letter is a pronoun?
U.
Which letter is a pronoun? Very good.
U.
Hey you, take it. Riddle is, which letter is helping verb?
R.
R. Very good. One more is there. What is that? One more. R and one more is there. Am. Very good. Am. R. Come and wait.
M. R. M.
Very good. A R E. One more is there. What is that? Am.
I am.
So the vegetable is,
P.
drink is,
T.
insect is,
B.
source of salt is,
C.
tool is,
S.
body part is,
I.
pronoun